Summary: Loren Brovarnik's natural mommy makeover on 90 Day Fiancé has sparked conversation on body image post-pregnancy. The reality star openly discussed her decision for surgery, facing pushback from friends and family. Through her journey, Loren raises awareness on postpartum depression and advocates for support for new mothers. 90 Day Fiancé. Happily ever after? Season 8 star Loren Brovarnik has been open about her natural mommy makeover on the reality series. Loren first appeared on 90 Day Fiancé Season 3 alongside her husband Alex Brovarnik. They have become a fixture of the series, often deemed one of the most successful couples of the 90 Day Fiancé franchise. Before joining 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? Season 8, they starred in Pillow Talk and their spin-off series Loren After the 90 Days. They share 3 children, Shai, Asher, and Ariel. After giving birth to Ariel, Loren revealed 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? Season 8 that she was having a natural mommy makeover surgery. She had all of her children in under 3 years, and each pregnancy wore on her mental and physical health. Loren was having health issues and thought that the mommy makeover was a good decision, though her friends and family disagreed. Alex worried that something bad would happen to his wife when she went in for the 7-hour surgery. Despite pushback, Loren opening up about her surgeries isn't all that bad. Related 20 best reality TV shows. Right now reality TV is more popular than ever. With so many to choose from, here are some of the best reality TV shows to stream or watch right now. Loren was feeling insecure after having 3 kids back-to-back. The 3 pregnancies were mentally and physically stressful for Loren. Loren felt insecure about her body after having 3 children so close in age. She welcomed her first son, Shai, in 2020. Soon after, she was pregnant with her second child, Asher, and third, Ariel. Loren had 3 children in 3 years, with Ariel being born in 2022. Loren and Alexei said they're done having children and that she wanted to undergo her mommy makeover when the time was right for their family. On 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? Season 8, she said that part of the surgery was necessary because of her abdominal diastasis. She revealed that she has abdominal diastasis after having 3 C-sections in under 3 years. My abdomen muscles have separated, and they won't go back, she said. No matter how hard I work out, it will never go back. Loren said that she felt a lot of physical pain due to her abdominal diastasis. She went through a lot with all 3 of her pregnancies. Loren also noted on the show that no matter how many compliments she receives, it doesn't change the way that she views and feels about her body after having 3 kids. Loren is being open about her surgeries instead of trying to hide them. She isn't trying to hide her mommy makeover. Unlike some celebrities, Loren chooses to be open about her surgery. On 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? Season 8, Loren revealed that she was having a tummy tuck, liposuction, and a fat transfer. On the show, she explained that the surgery would be natural, as her doctor was going to be doing a fat transfer from the liposuction on her chin, arms, thighs, and upper and lower back. I'm getting sucked and tucked and tightened and toned. Loren held back no details, and explained the entire surgery process on 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? It was refreshing to hear Loren be so honest about the varying procedures she was getting done as part of her mommy makeover. Many celebrities and reality stars have been criticized for having surgery and lying to their fans about their procedures. It's much better for her to be candid and bring the 90 Day Fiancé audience along for her journey. Loren's transformation is particularly interesting because she's undergoing surgery after having 3 kids. She's been honest about wanting to undergo a mommy makeover before having the surgery on 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? Season 8. In January 2022, Loren told Us Weekly that she wanted to undergo her mommy makeover within the next few years. She said she didn't want to have any crazy surgeries, but had plans to transform her body. "We're gonna tuck this in. We're gonna get these out. We're gonna tighten here," she said, referencing many of the procedures that she ended up having done on 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? Season 8. Loren hasn't tried to hide the fact that she's had surgery, and also shares her workout secrets with fans. Loren also raises awareness around postpartum depression. She cultivates a community for women and new mothers on her social media. Since having her first child, Loren has raised awareness around postpartum depression. As a public figure, she uses her platform to talk about the struggles she's dealt with since becoming a mom. After having Shy, Loren said in an Instagram post that she has struggled with judgment and people sharing unsolicited advice regarding postpartum depression. Despite receiving some backlash for talking about her experience as a new mother, Loren has continued to use her Instagram with 1.4 million followers to share her experience and hopefully uplift other women and new mothers. Loren deserves a mommy makeover. Her family should be supportive of her decision. Loren needs love support, not criticism. Loren decided to have a mommy makeover, and her family should have been more supportive. It was terrifying to learn that she would be under anesthesia for a 7-hour-long surgery. It's more than normal for her friends and family to have concerns about her well-being. However, they shouldn't have questioned her and tried to talk her out of the mommy makeover. During Loren and Alex's first episode on 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? Season 8, one of her friends was unsure why Loren would want to have surgery. Loren's mother, Marlene, was extremely against her having a mommy makeover. She chatted with Alex to see if he could convince her to change her mind and not have the surgery. Alex brought these concerns to Loren and told her that he wasn't sure if he was ready to help take care of her post-op. This isn't the first time that Loren and Marlene have disagreed on screen. No matter the differences that they'd had in the past, Loren needed the support of her mother and family when heading into the procedure. The mommy makeover was a risky 7-hour-long surgery. However, Loren has recovered well and is doing just fine. It would have been much better for her to go into the mommy makeover knowing she had the support of her family and friends. Rather, she knew that her closest family members, Marlene and Alex, did not want her to go through with the surgery, which could have put even more stress on her. It's refreshing to see Loren open up about her mommy makeover on 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? Season 8. Despite the backlash, Loren has had her surgery and is doing just fine. It was physically and emotionally taxing for Loren to have 3 children in under 3 years. She deserved her mommy makeover, and opening up about the process is sure to help a lot of women and new mothers. 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? Airs Sundays at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time on TLC. Sources: Us Weekly, Loren Brovarnik. Loren Brovarnik, Instagram. 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After. 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? Is one of the many spin-off shows to TLC's 90 Day Fiancé. Happily Ever After? Provides viewers with a follow-up to some of the most popular couples from the original show. The companion series reveals if lovers ended up staying in their marriage and explores any major life events or issues they may be facing.